today something crazy happened. While I was doing karate, I just saw a wind. That was not any normal wind, but a crazy wind. It happened 2 times while I was going to get my new yellow belt, and I was going onto the roof, and a big storm came that pulls me, and also something happened. There's a crazy storm going on outside, and yes, and every kid got out, and when every kid got out, every kid at the apartment building just come out and started playing. And yes, sir, it is so crazy to have it. Like when you come out, you will just see the storm. But now the storm now ended. The storm is now ended, now it's gone. And also I cannot now sleep now I cannot sleep because of this. So now this very crazy wind just now ended. So even if you're in Hyderabad as well, make sure you're safe. And please tell us in the comments that you also have an earthquake or something winds happen. Okay? And also, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you stay safe out there. Even though if you're in Hyderabad, you should stay safe, because even if your house also gets the wind, make sure to leave a comment that if you also have a wind. And also, like and follow us and stay safe. And bye guys.